This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So, to begin with, make sure that you have the Drive app installed on your phone. Usually it gets automatically downloaded and installed at this system start, or after the system setup, should I say. So, launch the app. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then, while at the app, let me first of all remove this previous file I have. So once at the Google Drive app, tap at the plus sign to your right, go for the scan option, grant Drive the camera permission, and take a good picture of the document that you were looking to scan. Make sure that it occupies the whole viewfinder space and the photo is as straight and aligned as you can make it pretty much. Then look at the result, choose whether you're satisfied with it or not. If you are, proceed. If not, redo the photo. At the following interface, we can crop the image and decide what part of a photo will be included into our document/scan. Maybe you will need to trim off some edges, let's say, if the photo wasn't picture perfect or perfect in general. And in here you can do plenty of other things like change the color scheme for your scan. I'll just leave it at black and white. Then once you're ready to save the scan, do that. In here you can set a custom document title and change the Google account and Drive folder that this document or scan will be saved to. Then hit that save button, wait for it to get uploaded to your Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.